Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and I thought that I would go back to the basics with this super quick tutorial on how to cover a cake board or a cake drum with fondant. Now this process seems easy enough, but I've definitely messed this up a few times. So the biggest tips that I can give you is to make sure that you cover that cake board with a lot of shortening. I find this is the best way to make sure that everything sticks. The other thing that I like to do is really make sure to roll that fondant on. You'll notice I didn't just place the fondant on, but I actually kept rolling it on. This way I got that fondant super nice and thin and avoid any waste whatsoever. Having those edges nice and thin also makes sure that you are getting a really nice sharp edge if you're using a squared off board. I also took a lot of time smoothing this out with my fondant smoother over and over again. Now be sure to work fairly quickly so that you can do that without creating elephant skin. If you don't know what elephant skin fondant is, it's basically where you get kind of those wrinkly patches. Also, if you're wanting to add any texturization or like a quilting pattern to your fondant cake board, now is the time to do it. One thing I love about covering cake drums as opposed to cake boards is you get that really nice edge on the side. Now I'm taking a clothing steamer and steaming my board. This is to get rid of any excess cornstarch that might still be there. And if you want to add anything like edible glitter or sprinkles to your board, this is a great way to get everything to adhere really easily. I steam my cakes in pretty much every fondant tutorial video that I have shown you, and a lot of you ask me if it's going to stay shiny, and the answer is no. I do freshly film right after I have steamed, but that shininess will go away. And as you can see here, it's already starting to partially dry up, which is why not everything is shiny here. So my little nephew's birthday is coming up, so I am going to be making him an over-the-top cake, of course, as Auntie always does. So this is just a little bit of a sneak peek about what I'm doing, and I am going to incorporate some real cake elements in this as well, and it's going to include some really easy serving ideas. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading weekly, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!